Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare or to show you how to cook gnocchi alla Sorrentina. The gnocchi is a potato dumpling with basil and tomato sauce. Okay, so my ingredient for my gnocchi Sorrentina, it is my fresh basil, fresh tomato, potato, then nutmeg, and parmigiano, farina, flour, and mozzarella cheese, and garlic. I'm going to show you step by step. It's very easy and fast and tastes so delicious. It's very important to understand gnocchi. The gnocchi is a potato dumpling. It has to be soft. If the flour is 25% and the potato 75%, then that's the right gnocchi. But people, if they change the other way around, it's gonna be very like a bread, like a dough, like I don't know, very hard. So very important, but it is easy, very easy. I show you. It takes 10 minutes for me, or maybe less, to make it. Okay, ready? The first thing you do, buy Idaho potato. You boil it until it gets soft. When it is soft, you take it out, you put it in a refrigerator overnight. Otherwise, when it's hot, you put the flour, it's gonna be a bread or dough. So make sure the potato is very cold. It was overnight in the refrigerator, and now I got it cold. You do this. That's it, for one person. The measurement is in my book. This one, you need to put a little bit nutmeg, okay? A little bit salt, because I'm making just for one order, okay? Flour, a little bit. Okay, egg. You don't need whole egg, just a little bit. Okay, egg. Okay, then you mix it. You roll it. You don't have to mix it too much, just very lightly. Cut it in half. When you roll it, you have to do these fingers. Now we need to cut it. You can make it smaller, make it bigger, depends what you want, okay? We're gonna transfer it. Water. You need to salt the water before you put the gnocchi. Already has this one, and then it has already garlic, the tomato sauce. When it rises to the top of the water, it is ready. This is the final. Fresh, and to become tomato sauce, I have in my book, you can follow that how you make it. You buy fresh tomato and follow my recipe. But if you cannot do from fresh tomato, you can always buy very good quality tomato can. Thank you, buon appetito, grazie.